Hello and welcome to another Blender tutorial. This we're going to be looking at doing a quick, super simple simulation of fluid in Blender. Okay, so if we take a look at this, that's supposed to look like some form of cola drink flowing and splashing out. I'm going to very quickly show you how I made this. Okay, so I'm going to start just by deleting the bits that I don't really need. I'm going to start by adding a cube. So I'll say I'm going to start, I've already started. I have got the ground that I've already made and I've got the can from one of the previous tutorials. So I'm just going to press Shift and A to add a cube. I'm just going to scale this up. Now this is going to be the fluid itself, but it's also going to be the container of which the fluid is in. So I'm just going to flick to wireframe mode so I can pull this up because I want it to be about the height of where the ground level is. So the fluid will not go any further outside than that. Okay, so I'm going to come over to this menu. I'm going to click on physics. No, it's not physics, that's physics. I'm going to click on fluid. This is going to be the domain, so it's the domain of the fluid itself. I'm going to change this to liquid. I'll leave it at 32 for the moment, but I'll be increasing this, and this is the quality of the fluid. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to change this to tick onto mesh. I think that's all I really need for now. Yep, that'll do. So this will be our fluid itself, and also the material it will be. So if I click on that, I want to make my fluid, for this one I'm just going to make it a very light blue sort of colour. Is that, oh, that's purple, that's not blue. I'll leave that for now. Obviously I'm still in wireframe mode, so it's still solid. So I'm now going to add, so another Shift and A, and this time it's going to be another little cube, but this time I'm going to scale it down. I'm just going to come to the side view, I'm going to move this up a little bit, and this is where the fluid is going to squirt into the system. Okay, so it's not great. I would normally put this inside the can and shape the can, but we're trying to do a quick job. So again, I'm coming down to the physics tab, clicking on fluid. This time, again, it's still, this is now a flow. So it's going to flow into the system. Now I could just press domain, not domain, sorry. Yes, flow, let's leave it as flow. Click on liquid. Geometry, so that's what I was thinking about a moment ago. Geometry, this means this will become fluid itself and there's nothing more to it. So if I was to press play now, I think this should start to simulate. It is not. Let's have a look why not. I know when I was playing with this the other day, it was if it was too small, it didn't like it. Back onto wireframe, I'm just going to scale this up a little bit. Let's just try again. Nope, it's not having it. So what have we done wrong? I'm just going to turn this to inflow instead and see if that makes a difference for the moment. Nope. It was doing it, I just wasn't being patient enough. There we go, we can now see the fluid is flowing into the system. We can see it's going to hit the edge of the cube. So it's now going to constantly be pouring liquid into our system. I don't know why it wasn't working before, then I just probably wasn't being patient enough with the system. Okay, so that's how I got some little bit of fluid. Now I'm just going to press pause, rewind it. I'm going to come on to our inflow. Are we still on inflow? Nope. There we go, we're on to our inflow. It's got our flow, our liquid, our inflow, and I'm going to come down and say initial velocity. And I'm just going to say -10, so it's going to be 10. I think it's going to go the right way. I'm just going to check, have I got maths right? Nope. I just want 10. So I've been game programming all day. So if I just say 10 meters per second, it's going to go upright. So if I just try and rewind this now, there we go, it's spurting out, then slowly dropping back down. Now it's going to go through the can. Yep, it does. Is it? No, it's fine. Right, I've already set the can to solid. If I just press pause, if I click on here, I'd already pressed fluid for this one and turned it into something called an effector and made it collision. So the fluid is going over the can itself. So there we go. We can now see we've got a simple fluid simulation. It's as simple as that. So go and have a little play. If you want to improve the quality of it, like I said earlier, we can click back on the domain. That's not the domain, because they're now in the same place. There we go, that's the domain. I could change this to say 64 and this should make it a little better quality, but now obviously it's going to take a bit more processor time. But that's how we can do our fluid simulations. Okay, so go have a play, experiment, try different shapes, different flow speeds, different environments, different render settings, and I'll see you in the next video.